Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Discover a new level of oral care with advanced technology designed for precision cleaning. The best electric toothbrushes combine smart features, multiple cleaning modes, and ergonomic designs to remove plaque effectively, improve gum health, and deliver a dentist-level clean every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Oral-B I/O Series. We're kicking things off with a heavy hitter, the Oral-B I/O Series. This brush has a bit of a reputation, and for good reason. It's one of those products dentists actually get excited about. Right away, you can tell this isn't your average electric brush. It removes up to 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush and cleans between teeth better than most models in its class. The secret lies in Oral-B's unique oscillating and rotating micro vibrations, which sweep plaque away without being harsh on your gums. One of my favorite touches is the interactive light ring around the handle. It glows softly while you brush, tracks the full 2-minute dentist recommended time, and even flashes to remind you when it's time for a new brush head. There's also a pressure sensor that's surprisingly intuitive. It lights red if you're pressing too hard, white if you're brushing too lightly, and green when you're right in that sweet spot. It basically trains you to brush correctly without thinking about it. Connect it to the Oral-B app, and the toothbrush actually maps your mouth as you clean. The app shows which areas you've missed and gives you a little score afterward. Kind of like turning brushing into a mini-game. You can pick from 5 modes, including daily clean, sensitive, intense, and whitening. It also comes with a sleek magnetic charger and a hard-shell travel case that feels premium and solid. Most describe it as like leaving the dentist chair every morning. People love the guided feedback and say it's gentle yet super effective. The only real complaint is price, but nearly everyone admits it's worth every penny for how polished and advanced it feels.
Number 2. Philips Sonicare HX3681. Next up is the Philips Sonicare HX3681, a simpler, more affordable brush that still gives you professional-grade results. It's powered by sonic technology that generates up to 31,000 strokes per minute. Instead of spinning, it vibrates at high speed to break up plaque and push water and toothpaste deep between your teeth. Philips claims it removes 7 times more plaque than a manual brush, and based on reviews, that claim holds up. The soft, tapered bristles glide comfortably across your gums, so if you've got sensitive teeth, this one's a gentle option. There's also a built-in pressure sensor that tones down the vibration automatically if you press too hard, protecting your enamel while keeping your brushing efficient. The design is minimalist, mostly white, lightweight, and easy to hold. It's not overloaded with buttons or modes, which makes it perfect if you just want something that works. On a single charge, the battery runs for about 2 weeks, so it's travel-friendly too. Users love it feels gentle but thorough. Many note that it doesn't make your jaw vibrate like older electric brushes. The 2-week battery life gets special praise, especially from travelers. It's proof you don't need to spend big for a quality Sonicare experience.
Number 3. Oral-B Pro 1000. Coming in at number 3, the Oral-B Pro 1000, a true classic in the electric toothbrush world. If you're stepping up from manual brushing, this is a fantastic starting point. It uses Oral-B's round brush head, which wraps around each tooth individually to clean every angle. It combines oscillating, rotating, and pulsating motions for a deep clean that's still gentle. There are 3 modes: daily clean, sensitive, and whitening, so you can adjust it for comfort. It also has a pressure control system that automatically stops pulsations if you press too hard. A built-in quad timer buzzes every 30 seconds to remind you to move to the next section of your mouth. It's a small feature, but it keeps your routine balanced and thorough. The handle feels sturdy yet comfortable, and it supports multiple Oral-B brush heads, meaning you can switch to a whitening or gum care head whenever you like. This brush often gets called the perfect beginner model. Reviewers love its simplicity and effectiveness, with some saying they notice cleaner teeth after just 1 day. The timer is a favorite feature, and the price-to-performance ratio is hard to beat. Number 4, Oral-B IO Standard Model. At number 4, we have another Oral-B, the IO Standard Model, essentially the little sibling of the Premium IO series. It delivers much of the same performance in a simpler package. It still uses oscillating micro vibrations that remove up to 100% more plaque in a week than manual brushing. The pressure sensor gives instant feedback while you brush, and the 2-minute light timer makes sure you never cut your session short. There are 3 cleaning modes: daily clean, sensitive, and whitening, and that same rounded brush head that hugs each tooth perfectly, reaching along the gum line where plaque tends to hide. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 3 weeks on a single charge. The handle feels ergonomic and refined, with smooth, matte texture and intuitive controls. The ratings, though, highlight the fact that how quiet it is compared to older Oral-B brushes. The balance between power and comfort earns lots of compliments, and some people even describe it as like getting a professional cleaning at home. For those wanting top-tier performance without the top-tier price, the IO Standard is a smart choice. Number 5, Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean. Finally, rounding out the list, the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean, a brush designed specifically for sensitive gums and anyone who wants a gentle, thorough clean. It's been clinically proven to improve gum health by up to 100% and remove up to 3 times more plaque along the gum line compared to manual brushing. You get 3 cleaning modes: clean, white, and gum care. The white mode targets surface stains for a brighter smile, while gum care uses gentle pulsations to massage gums and boost circulation. Inside, Philips Sonic Motion delivers around 62,000 micromovements per minute, pushing toothpaste and water between teeth for a deep clean that's safe for enamel. The pressure sensor automatically lowers the intensity if you're brushing too hard. No settings to fiddle with, it just works. It also includes a brush head reminder, alerting you when it's time to replace it. Battery life is about 2 weeks per charge, and the package includes a travel case and charger, perfect for keeping things organized on the go. People love how quiet and smooth it feels, even compared to other Sonicare models. Many say their gums stopped bleeding within a few days of switching, and others appreciate that it's strong enough to polish but soft enough not to irritate. For everyday reliability, the ProtectiveClean is tough to beat. That wraps up our top 5 best electric toothbrushes. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and check the description below for links and the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and remember, great tech starts with a great smile.